I like to spend a few minutes just talking about static or class methods and class variables. So let's declare a static method and we'll call this method print static. So all we're going to do here is a quick system.out.println. And we're going to print out the string. Okay? Now, in order for us to execute this, we have two options. Within our main method, we can either say print static because we are in the same class, so we can access any of the methods, or we can access it by class name, intro to Java, dot method name, and there it is, print static. Either way would allow us to print this. In this case here, when I go to run this, it will actually print this out twice. So we'll save it, and we'll run it. And sure enough, it printed that result out twice. Now let's look at a static field. And we have several types that we can look at within Java. One of the primary types is a type called integer, and that's a numeric value or number with no decimal places. So I'll say number of subscribers is my field name. And let's say for argument's sake, I'm going to have a method out here that sets the number of subscribers. And for now, I won't put any arguments in here. We'll adjust this later on in the courses. And I'll just make our number of subscribers equal to a value, and I'll just say 25 for now. Now I could have also accessed that by class name.method name. So I could have also gone through and said intro to Java dot number of subscribers equals 25. Both of those would have worked. So in the same class, I can either use the method name or the method name previously qualified by the class name dot method name. Same thing for variables. Now where this can alter a bit is if I have another class. So I'm going to go through and create another class here. And this class here I'll call demonstrate class methods. This won't have a main method. And I'll have a public static void, and I'll just say print class method for now. And in here, I'll just use a system.out.println. I'll just print out. Okay. Save this. Now notice here, because I don't have a main method, I can't do a run as anything because I don't have a Java application. I don't have a program. There's no main method here. But in my intro to Java, I do have a main method, so that can start things off. And let's say that in our print static, what we want to do in here is we want to print out this method, print class method, or call this. The way I would do that in this case would be class name, demonstrate class methods, dot, and I would call the print class method. So from outside this class, I can call a static method by using the class name dot method name in order to do that. And when I go to run this, this will execute. After this executes, once this is called here and here. So I'll save this and run this. And lo and behold, I print it out twice. Each time I print out the print static. Thank you very much.